Welcome back to my channel for the second week of this ad cycle, and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. There are still some deals to pick up. Just make sure you're scanning the items with your phone to see what deals they're attaching to. That will help you save more. Check out the description box for a link to a Google Doc of all the deals I will share in this video. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I have is on Select Crest toothpaste. They are on sale for $8.99, and when you buy two, you get $4 back. Pick up one Crest Gum Recession and one Crest 3D White Brilliance. Both will total $17.98. We have a $5 digital coupon for the Gum Recession, and we also have another $5 digital coupon for the White Brilliance. Both coupons will take off $10, and you pay $7.98, get 4 back, making them $2.98 or $1.99 each. Select Oral-B toothbrushes are on sale for $3.99, and they are also part of buy 3 get 5 back. Pick up 3 for a total of $11.97, and use the 5 off 3 digital coupon. You will pay $6.97 and get 5 back, making them $1.97 or 66 cents each. The next oral care deal I have is buy 2 of any Tums of Men product, you get 5 back. Pick up 2 of the mouthwashes priced at $6.79 each. The 2 will total $13.58. Use a $2 digital coupon and you pay $11.58, get 5 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. Eucerin lotions and creams are part of spend 20 get 10 back. Pick up one 8-ounce Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream priced at $13.99 and one 5-ounce Intensive Care Lotion priced at $6.99. These two will total $20.98. Use the 3 off digital coupon and you pay $17.98, get 10 back, making them $7.98 or $3.99 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 6 back on any CoverGirl cosmetics. Pick up 2 CoverGirl brow pencils priced at $6.29 each. Both will total $12.58. Use the $4 off CoverGirl Extra Care coupon and a $2 CoverGirl digital coupon. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $6.58, get 6 back, making them 58 cents or 29 cents each. My next deal is on Clearasil Facial Care. It's part of buy 1 get 3 back. Pick up 1 Rapid Rescue Deep Treatment priced at $8.29. Pay the $8.29 and get 3 back, making it $5.29. My next deal is buy 2 Bud Bees Facial Care or Lip Color and you get 4 back. The cheapest way you can do this deal is to pick up 2 sheet masks priced at $3.89 each. The 2 will total $7.78. Pay the $7.78 and you get 4 back, making them $3.78, $1.89 each. The next facial care deal I have is spend 12 get 3 back on Garnier Facial Care. Pick up 1 micellar cleansing water priced at $11.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 12. Make sure your store follows the 98% rule, that way you get your extra care box. We have a $3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.99 and you get 3 back, making it $5.99. My next deal is buy Palmer's Facial Care or Healthy Minds and you get 3 back. Pick up 1 Palmer's Face Cream priced at $8.99. Pay the $8.99 and you get 3 back, making it just $5.99. My next deal is buy 2 get 3 back on Aussie Hair Cares. Pick up 1 mousse priced at $5.99 and 1 hairspray priced at $5.99. Both will total $11.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $8.98, get 3 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 7 back on Nivea hand and body lotion, lip care, body wash, or men shave products. This deal is a limit of 1 per week, but I have 3 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 Nivea men shave gel priced at $6.89 each. Both will total $13.78. Pay the $13.78 and you get 7 back, making them $6.78 or $3.39 each. If you have 3 off 6 Nivea Shave Cream CRT, this will be your breakdown. After the $3 CRT apply, you will pay $10.78, get 7 back, making them $3.78 or $1.89 each. The second option is to pick up 2 men's Nivea body wash priced at $5.99 each. Both will total $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and you get 7 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. If you have 3 of 10 Nivea Men Body Wash CRT, this will be your breakdown. After the CRT apply, you will pay $8.98, get 7 back, making them $1.98 or 99 cents each. The third option is to pick up 2 Women Nivea Body Wash priced at $6.99 each. Both will total $13.98. Pay the $13.98 and you get 7 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. If you have 3 of 12 Nivea Women Body Wash CRT, this will be your breakdown. After the $3 apply, you pay $10.98, get 7 back, making them $3.98, $1.99 each. My next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on any soft soap foaming hand wash. They are priced at $3.99. Pick up 2 for a total of $7.98. Pay the $7.98 and you get 4 back, making them $3.98, $1.99 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 4 back on Gillette or Venus disposable razors and also the Gillette shave foam. I have 2 options for this deal, but it's a limit of 1, so you pick whichever one that works for you. The first option is to pick up a Gillette disposable razor. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and this is priced at $8.99. And to complete this deal, pick up 1 Venus disposable razor priced at $9.49. These 2 items are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you have this type of sale, the one that will be half off will be the cheaper priced one, which is the Gillette disposable razor. It was priced at $8.99, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the new price will be $4.50. The 2 will total $13.99. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Gillette and another $3 digital coupon for the Venus. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $7.99, get 4 back, making them $3.99 or $2 each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 Gillette shave foam on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and it's priced at $3.79. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.90. Both will total $5.69. Pay the $5.69 and you get 4 back, making them $1.69 or 85 cents each. The next deal I have will be on the Carefree tongue liners. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are part of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2 priced at $4.79 each. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.40. Both will total $7.19. Pay the $7.19 and you get 2 back, making them $5.19 or $2.60 each. If you have $1 off feminine care CRT, then you pay $6.19, get 2 back, making them $4.19 or $2.10 each. The 18 to 20 count Celestial teas are on sale for 2 for $7, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, pay $7 and get 2 back, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each, limit of 5, but you get back $1, and that will make both packs just $4 or $2 each. Palmolive dish soap is priced at $4.99 and is part of spend 10 get 5 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $9.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 10. Pay the $9.98 and you get 5 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal I have is the spend 30 get $10 back. This deal is a limit of 1 per week, but I have 2 options. For my first option, pick up 1 Gain dryer sheet on sale for $9.99, 1 Downy fabric softener on sale for $6.99, a Gain fabric softener on sale for $6.99, and 1 Downy Unstoppables on sale for $6.99. These 4 items will total $30.96. Use a $2 digital coupon for the Gain dryer sheet, a $1 digital coupon for the Gain fabric softener, $2 digital coupon for the Downy Unstoppable, and a $1 digital coupon for the Downy fabric softener. The 4 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $24.96, get 10 back, making them $14.96 or $3.74 each. Second option I have is to pick up 3 Cottonelle 9 Mega Rolls bag tissues on sale for $9.99 each. The 3 will total $29.97, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Pay the $29.97 and you get 10 back, making them $19.97 or $6.66 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.